Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Innovational Lens. Now, let me show you how I did my color study for my topic, and I hope this approach will also help you in creating your own color palette. I use watercolor to create visuals for each subtopic of my topic, focusing on their main colors. And here, the reducted color file of this image that I scanned and treated in Photoshop. Then I got prints of these as well and attached them in my sketchbook. When it comes to choosing a color palette for your thesis topic, it's important to avoid randomly selecting color based on your personal preferences. Even if something goes wrong, don't throw it away because it's still part of the process work and it's important. Think about your thesis topic and the emotions and concepts or themes it encompasses. Consider the message you want to convey and the feelings you want to evoke in your audience. Color has the power to influence emotions, so choose them wisely. For example, if you are showcasing aggression in your topic, you might want to go for bold black, powerful purple, and strong gray. And if your topic evolves around joy and happiness, then bright, energetic, and uplifting colors like sunny yellow, sweet pink, fresh greens could be your go to colors. By thoughtfully selecting your color palette based on your thesis topic, you will create a strong connection with your audience and effectively communicate your ideas. So take your time and think it through and let your color enhance the impact of your thesis. That's all for this video. In the next one, I will share more. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel.